Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to display. Now here you can see adaptive brightness option. Now you may ask, how does it work? Adaptive brightness is an Android feature that adjusts your display brightness level based on the nearby lighting and your preferences. Also, it uses the ambient light sensor to make these adjustments for you automatically. Now by tapping here you can enable auto brightness. And it's done. Now you can see auto brightness has been enabled successfully. Now if you go to home screen and then swipe from top to bottom, then tap on three dots. And here you can see adaptive brightness option. You can also enable or disable adaptive brightness from here. Then tap on done and it's done. And that is how you can enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.